will learn to color a pumpkin. Are you ready? Okay. Look, buddy, he looks cute. Okay, we will start coloring it with orange color. Then, we give the other side a lighter orange color. Okay. Now, it's time for us to color the stalks dark green. Wow, look, he is very happy. Okay, now it's time to color the tablecloth. This is light blue. And the bottom is dark blue. Okay, we're going to move on to coloring the top part. Yellow for lights. Woo! And purple. For the wall. Whee! Look at this very nice color combination. Isn't it perfect? And see you again, friends.